School life. There are many problems in school in which one of the ongoing problems is quarreling, fighting in school. Watch the teacher's interesting solution in this video. At the end of the video, we will see how we can tell the story as David, our teacher.
Oh, Mr. David, do you also come here to eat hamburgers?
Right, this place is close to my school and it's also famous for its delicious dishes.
Exactly. It's my favorite fast food restaurant.
Sit here with me, please.
Okay.
How is it going? You look quite happy.
Yeah, I'm so happy with what I'm doing right now. You know, I always dreamed of being a teacher.
That's good.
How about you? You look so stressed.
Right? I'm so stressed.
Is it because of the workload? If so, me too.
Well, it's nearly the end of the school year, so there are a lot of things that we need to summarize and evaluate.
Grading, assessing students, and summarizing scores.
I'm exhausted just thinking about it.
Each career has difficulties.
And now I also have one more pressure.
What is that?
My school has some students who are very naughty, quarrelsome. Even they fight each other.
That's so bad.
We also pay close attention to them. Despite repeated warnings, nothing has changed. I'm having a headache thinking of a suitable solution.
What do you want?
I want to settle things smoothly without using too much punishment. I don't want my students to suffer.
I understand what you mean. Are you going to use traditional punishment?
What does it mean?
Detentions or suspensions.
Oh, I think no.
That's right, those punishments don't work.
What should I do now?
I have an idea. Now we have to understand the psychology of children. They are not afraid of those punishments. So let's apply punishment to their adolescent psyche.
How?
Come here, I will tell you.
That's a good idea, Miss Hannah.
Try it.
Hey! Watch where you're going, you fool! Are you blind? No, you are! Don't you know who I am? I don't care who you are. Shut up and get away! What? Are you crazy? What do you want? Do you want to fight? Yeah? Are you scared? Hey, what are you doing here? Why is it so crowded here? Tell me. He dares to provoke me. I didn't do anything about it. He bumped into me. I want to bump into you? Are you crazy? Come on, it's too noisy. Let's be quiet. So what are others doing here? Why are they arguing but you guys didn't tell the teacher but stood to watch like this? Sorry, teacher. Now, others come to class. It's not the break. Yes. And two of you, follow me. Have you realized your mistake yet? I didn't do anything wrong. So now you want to be punished or go home without going to school anymore? Mr. David, this is not the first time I've talked to you about this problem. School is not the place for you to fight. But that was all his fault. He started it. Now, the two of you are the problem. Why can you fight and use appropriate words like that at school? That is enough. Now, I will give you a chance. Stand in front of the whole school, hold hands, and say you love each other. What? I do not do it. I'm not crazy. Right? Me either. If you don't do that, you can come back home now. Why do we have to do such a crazy thing? I'd rather be punished by laboring. I don't need your labor. No! Why? It is so easy to do. But I'm so embarrassed. Why are you embarrassed? Because I have to do it in front of the whole school? You guys fight in front of the whole school like that? Just do it. That's good. So, everyone here is a lesson for you. If the fighting continues, I will take other measures. Do you understand? Yes. So you can come back to your class now. Thank you for coming here. Please sit down. Yes, thank you, Mr. David. I was very worried about Henry and Robert being so naughty at school. I have punished them many times. Sorry, teacher. I gave them a lot of advice, but it didn't help. They're in puberty. They're so naughty that we can't advise them. Well, we also want to cooperate with the school to educate them, but their personalities are very unruly. I know that. So the last time I punished them to stand in front of the whole school and tell them that they like each other. I have heard that. Thank you for coming up with such a great solution. That's right. No need for some awful measures, but extremely effective. I hope this measure will work in the long run. What do you think? Sorry for the fight. We will never do that again. I hope I won't have to deal with the two of you fighting again. We are so sorry, Mr. David. Okay, I believe in you. Miss Hannah, do you have time now? Yes, I have finished my work. Great. Do you want to have a cup of coffee? Sure. Okay, so see you at the coffee shop in the library. Okay, Mr. David. Wow, you look so happy. Is there anything new? Yes, very happy news. What is that? I have solved the problem that I told you before. Is it about the fight between students in your school? Exactly. Everything is fine now. That's great. Thanks to you. You have suggested me an effective method. So, it helped you. I'm glad I could help you with the dilemma. Right. Thanks to it, I was able to solve this difficult problem. Thank you. Nothing. I still use this method to manage my students. You're so smart and sophisticated. I'm just relying on juvenile mentality. How can you know that? Actually, this is normal child psychology. When I went to school, I was also afraid to do something embarrassing in front of a crowd. I understand that and always use it this way with my students. Indeed, it is gentle but very effective. Maybe it's because I'm a woman that I understand kids a little better than you do. Maybe. Anyways, thank you very much. Never mind. I will invite you a dinner. I'm very pleased.
Let's summarize our story today. I'm Mr. David, a teacher, and I love to eat at a place near my school because the food is really good. One day, I saw Ms. Hannah, another teacher there. She looked worried, so I sat with her. We talked. I was happy because I love being a teacher, but she was stressed about a lot of work and some students who were not behaving well. Then, at school, I saw two students, Henry and Robert, starting to argue and almost fight. I stopped them and talked to them about why fighting is not good at school. I had an idea to solve the problem without punishing them too harshly. I asked them to do something unusual in front of everyone at school to make them think about their actions. After that, their parents came to talk to me. They were worried about their sons, but liked the way I handled the situation. Henry and Robert said sorry and promised not to fight again. I felt good about helping them understand and solve their problem. Later, I talked to Miss Hannah again. She was happy because my advice helped her with her students too. We were both pleased that we could find good ways to help our students learn and behave better.